Wow, welcome once more to my channel. My name is Opolos. And this time around, I'm going to walk you through a simple aspect, a simple aspect on Excel, and that's working on charts. Charts is so important. One of these days can help us to represent our data in case we want to see the actual performance in our, be it workers, be it students in class. Perhaps here we are going to make a graph on performance of our students or children in class. Perhaps here this is so interesting, but first of all, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button. If you have not subscribed, share and watch the video, please. I love you all. Perhaps here, where do we find the where do we find the charts? So charts are graphical representations of data. Wow, here we can find our charts. Charts are graphical representations of data in Excel. Perhaps here, charts and find our charts simply. You can simply find our charts. As you can see, there are several types of charts here. As you see, 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar. So interesting here. As you can see here, tree map, sub burst. So interesting. Panel, stock. Wow. This one again looks more interesting. CityPy, and there is a donut here. Wow, this is so interesting. Perhaps at this point here, I'm going to take you a step on how to make a chart. Perhaps one, we should do select like you should do select maybe you want to make a chart on total corresponding to names. Perhaps here we should have references like a name should be corresponding to the chart amount, be like the number or the percentage of it in the total. Perhaps here we are going to use our total. I want us to use the total. Perhaps here you highlight the total. Wow, let's highlight the total. Ah, wow, you highlight the total. After highlighting it, please don't release yet, and then you hold Control key. Please don't leave the Control key. Then bring the column of names. Again, just press on the right plane. Just drag it downwards, slowly as you can see. One thing that you should not leave the Control key. Perhaps when you leave the Control key, they will not be selected automatically. Perhaps here I want to use this type of charts. So interesting. Wow, as you can see. As you can see. Wow, this one is so interesting. But this one is so interesting here. This one is so interesting. This one is so interesting. As you can see here, I'm going to add this. Perhaps here I want us to add our title. Let's put it as performance of students. This is so interesting. Want to make it different a little bit. Want to make it a little bit different. The title of our of our chart. Wow, this one is so interesting. There's a plus button here. This one enables you maybe make a title. Perhaps it gives us an opportunity to make a title on this one, and that is it. Wow, that's so interesting. Wow, perhaps you see our chat now is here. We are good to go. I want to roll it down a little bit. Perhaps here we can move our chat to the next page. Well, we want to copy the next page, perhaps, or we want to cut it. We want to cut it the maybe page 4. Just bring the cursor to the extreme cell here, as you can see, and we paste the paste option, as you can see already. Let's go back to our sheet 1. As you can see, we don't have a chart there, and we have a chart in our sheet 4. This is so interesting. Perhaps this one's so nice. As you can see, Otimpol is this one here, and it's corresponding there. Odongo is here, orange, and it's corresponding there. Otai Moses is here. I want to thank so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit and subscribe. I love you all. Shall meet next time and shall share more, and keep on watching on my YouTube content. By my side, you will never miss it. I love you all. Bye bye.